Guys, I believe the bird apocalypse has started. So, earlier today, I found a bird apocalypse. Yep, it started. Ready to see it? So, yep. This is crazy. The birds are already in the apocalyptic times. Bleh. So I'm sorry, but your world's ended, birds. So here's one of them. I think they were trying to fight zombies. Kidding. So there's a bunch of flies around here. I'm going to be careful. Oh. Why? Just why? And we come up to this egg, which, if we go, we're gonna go closer to it. Then we come to this guy. So there's three big birds, little baby birds here. Then we got the nest. Then we have the mama bird. I do not know where she went, but probably was a fox. Okay, there's a bird inside of the egg. And yeah, that's the bird apocalypse for you. One of them. So I hope you all enjoy this video. Also, if you notice, we're back in our neighborhood and we're not at the beach house anymore, the $1 million beach house. And yeah, so bye. And peace. Have a good day.